Smoke jumping was created to be able to insert wildland firefighters into areas of the forest that are remote and either unable to be accessed by foot or vehicle, or would be untimely to do so.
When we initially fly to the fire, we are looking at how we can safely get in, but we're also already looking at potential ways for us to get out. If the fire stays at the same footprint that it is, potentially we can walk that ridge out to a road that maybe we saw. Or there's a river down at the bottom.